Happy holidays. How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. In this radio here, I don't know how you pronounce it, has had several reviews, and they've all been positive. So I've been wanting to get this, but I've been waiting for it to go on sale. It's normally $79, which is not a bad price, but I'm one that's always looking for sales. Well, one of my recent videos, a gentleman made some comments, which he had been doing in the past, making good comments, providing information to me. He said, maybe try this radio. And I thought, well, now I got two reasons to try the radio. So I looked up his website, which is right here. His name is Kevin Davison. And this is his website, blog or die. There's the link right there. And he reviews radios and other things. And so he had a review of that radio, which is right here. And he goes into infinite detail about this radio. There it is. It comes in storage case. This is compared to the Texan PL990. And this article is in infinite detail. And so I started looking around his blog, and he's got lots of very, very good reviews. So I'm saying you ought to check this website out. Again, I'll go back to his main page right there. There it is, the link right there. And he has right here, he's giving away one of these radios. And to participate, you just need to make a comment saying that you'd like to be entered. And so I thought, well, I'll do that. So there's my comment. I said, based on your reviews, I'd love to test this radio on my YouTube channel. And he asked me for my address. I sent him my address, and he is sending me this radio for review. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I mean, I can see I've had this radio on my wish list for at least 6 months because there's so many good reviews. His review, let me see if I can get back to it. You can read this yourself. Let me go down to the bottom here. See, look how extensive this is. Wow. Look at that. He's even got a picture of the antenna plug you need. I mean, I can't believe the detail he went into. So then he says, says, I chose I don't know how to pronounce it, because it is sensitive on shortwave, and that it has ATS. So this is really exciting. This is like a early Christmas present, although it won't get here until after Christmas. So I want to thank Kevin for his reviews, his comments to my channel, and sending me one of these radios to review. So check out his website. Let me go back to there is the particular article that I read, and this is his website. Let me go back one more right here. It's where it starts. Over here is his recent articles and other stuff. Like I reviewed the Ratty RF886 and XH data radios. Very, very good reviews. Very, very detailed reviews. Photos, videos. Check him out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.